Hello, everyone. My name is Osunako Gona Sylvia, and I am a Boost scholar. I am passionate about web development, software engineering, and AI. And today, I want to show you how to build a simple, powerful website in minutes using the power of artificial intelligence. Now, here's the catch. You don't need to be a tech expert. You don't need to know how to code. All you need to do is bring your creativity, and AI will do the rest. Now, what is artificial intelligence, or what is AI? Basically, artificial intelligence is the development of computer systems that are able to perform tasks that requires human intelligence. Examples of these tasks are visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and translation between languages. These are real life examples of AI. We have self-driving cars, chatbots, human versus computer systems, and many more. AI is more than just a buzzword. It is a tool that's making life easier, smarter, and more creative. And girls like you and me can use AI to build things that matter. Are you trying to build a blog or a personal portfolio or a favorite page or a favorite page about your African books, just like me who loves African literature? You can actually use AI to bring your ideas to life. So I'm just going to give you a short tutorial on how I'll build a simple website using AI. The AI I'll be using for today's course is ChatGPT. Now let's go to ChatGPT. So I'll go to ChatGPT and then I'll give it a prompt. I'll give it a prompt and I would ask it to create the HTML and CSS for a simple website that introduces me and lists my hobbies. Make it user-friendly and pretty. I use the word pretty because we're girls and yeah, we love pretty and beautiful things. So yes, this is me using ChatGPT, and what I just did here is I gave it a prompt. Basically, I am telling it to create the HTML and CSS for a simple website that introduces me, lists my hobbies, and makes it user friendly and pretty. So let's see what happens now. I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. And we'll see that AI, which is the artificial intelligence, instantly gives us a clean HTML and CSS code. Let's see. So we can see here that this is the HTML code. So it says, I'll give you both in a single file format, so it is easy to test. You can separate it later if you want. So this is it. This is the CSS code. It's going to be good, and this is the HTML code. Good. So I'm just going to copy this. I'm just going to copy this here. And then I'll go to VS Studio Code, which is a coding editor, also known as the IDE, for writing what programs. I write my programs using VS Studio Code because it's easy. So I'm just going to open my Visual Studio Code. I already have a folder opened, so I'm just going to create a file, a HTML file, and I'm going to call it my portfolio .html. Now I use the .html because I want Visual Studio Code to be aware that I am building a HTML document. So basically the .html is an extension to show that this is a HTML file. And then I'm going to hit enter. See that I have created my HTML file. Now I'm going to paste the code I copied from ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste it down here. Good. So I have it down here. I have my CSS file and I have my HTML file. And then I'm going to go live. What do I mean by go live? I want it to open in the browser. So I'm going to click here and it should go live in some minutes. Okay. Can you see this? So this is a simple website that introduces me. Hi, I'm Ugonna, a passionate techie and lover of African culture. We can see here about me. I am a software engineering student at the University of Lagos who loves building apps that support African culture and development. I'm also a published author and a media enthusiast. We can see all this. I believe in the power of technology and storytelling. My hobbies, can you see? Can you see that we just created a beautiful, responsive website? Now let's check if it's responsive. Let's go to inspect and let's check if this website is responsive. Let's use a mobile device. Can you see it? So this is an iPhone XR. Can you see that this website is beautiful and it is responsive? Can we see it? So I'm just going to close this and bring it all back. So the importance or the power of AI cannot be overemphasized. The truth is that girls, the future is not just about using technology, it is about creating it. You don't need to wait, you can start now. AI tools like this makes it easier than ever to build, design, and share your ideas. As you grow, you will learn how to customize, to code, and to create smarter systems that solve real problems. So today, I am encouraging you to start simple, stay curious, and keep building because girls in tech are not just the future, they are the now. So happy ICT Girls Day 2025. Let's create the world we want to see. Thank you all so much for having me, and thank you Boost Scholars for giving me the opportunity to share this with you all today. Take care, everybody.